iPhones have some great anti-theft mechanisms, but sometimes these anti-theft mechanisms get in the way of trying to sell your own device. So this video will go over how to sell your iPhone or iPad without accidentally scamming your buyer. And if you're looking for a specific part of selling an iPhone or iPad, timestamps are in the description below. The first step of this process is to software update your iPhone or iPad to the latest version of iOS. So to do this, go to Settings, General, Software Update, wait for it to check for updates, and if it says iOS or iPadOS is up to date, then you're good to go. If not, install any necessary software updates. You may have to enter your iPhone or iPad passcode in this process. If you're selling an iPhone, at this point make sure to also go to Settings, scroll down to Battery, tap Battery Health, and note the maximum capacity, because this will be useful in the listing later on. The next step of this process is disabling Find My, which can be done in two ways, on the device or on another device. To disable Find My on the iPhone or iPad that you're selling itself before resetting, just go into the Settings app, click on your Apple ID, select Find My iPad or iPhone, and turn it off. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. Then, once the Find My has disabled, you can proceed to the next step. To remove iCloud activation lock from another iPhone or iPad, check the YouTube short I made to go along with this video. Here's how to do it on a computer. Open up any web browser and go to iCloud.com. Then, when prompted, enter your Apple ID and password. You may have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, in which case just press Allow and type in the code provided. Now, select Account Settings. Click on the device you wish to remove from your account. Click on this X here. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password again before removing the device from your account. Now, you can proceed with selling your iPhone. The next step in this process is resetting your old iPhone or iPad. So, to do this, you go to Settings, General, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone or iPad, tap Erase all content and settings, and follow the prompts. Once this is done, you should be left with the Hello screen that shows up when you first boot up your iPhone. When cleaning your old iPhone or iPad to sell, you can use any old microfiber cloth you have lying around. If you're using a screen cleaning solution, just make sure to spray it onto the towel and not onto the device itself. Then, just wipe over the screen. Remember, you're selling a used product, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make it clean enough so that way it looks better in the photos you take to list it online, so people are more likely to spend more money on it. After cleaning the phone's exterior, you're going to want to make a listing for the product online. So what you're going to need to include in that listing is the model, storage, the color, the condition, and what else is included with the product, like the charger or any included headphones. And at this point, it's good to put in the battery health that you noted earlier. And the final step of this process is packaging. Make sure to wrap your iPhone or iPad that you're selling in many layers of bubble wrap or some other protective material before shipping, because everyone has seen those videos of couriers dropping packages while delivering them. Thank you for joining me on this journey of selling your old Apple product. If you liked this video, or it helped you in any way, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos of me talking about Apple products, subscribe. Thanks for watching.